Hello, everyone. Um, with me again, Eka Sartika. Today, I am going to um, have a video. It's a teaching video related to paperless teaching with QR code because one of my friend from Oman, her name is Farida. She requested me to have this on the record because she would like me to teach her the tutorial on how to make the QR code. So this time I will teach you how to make the QR code and then you can use it for your teaching material. Yeah. First of all, I I have presented this material in Mangrove Education for a workshop through for I think it's about a couple of months ago, and this is one of the PowerPoint that I use here. Why? How can we use QR code? And we can use less paper by using it because your students can use their phone to scan the QR code, and then the activities on your class can be replaced and not doing more paper. Yeah. So it will be very efficient for your students or for you. Here, now we don't want to use paper because we want to support the earth. So let's use paperless with QR code. The preparation that you can have for this activity is that you can have all kind of smartphone or laptop that connected to the internet. So this activity will be very useful if your students use smartphone in their classroom. I think it's quite ready for your students because after we have the pandemic, everyone right now I think has the smartphone to support their teaching and in online learning. Yeah. So many of the students right now have smartphone, or maybe if they don't have the smartphone, you can switch the activity. You can prepare a QR code and then you can ask them, you can copy the QR code and then ask them to go home with that, and then they can use their parents phone to scan the QR code. And this activity you can use for to teach speaking, listening, reading, and writing. So it's compatible for all the four skills in this right now. So today I will use the QR code from qrcode-tiger.com because actually you can have another QR code generator. You can find it online, but some of them you have to apply and then it's only you can only use them for 2 weeks. Yeah, but by using this one, maybe you can use QR code tiger.com. They said they use it for free. You can upgrade it every time if you have more money to do so. Now from here, as I said before, you can use the teaching idea for speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Or you can also use it for to have a brainstorm activity with your students. Or you can also have an energizer activity like this one. Maybe in your classroom, you will teach them a vocabulary. You want to start with, you can start with the energizer. This time, if you have this, if you, so let's say that you are teaching vocabulary related to animals. Now, if you have that, you can scan, you can ask your students to scan this QR code and then they can name the animal. If you have your phone right now with you, you can have it. Yeah, you can scan this QR code. Now, actually, the picture on this QR code is a penguin and kitten. Yeah, so it's swapped at the same time. So the head is a kitten, and then the body is a penguin. So you can have that activity for fun. Yeah, you can discuss like it's a kitten, but also it's a penguin. What do you call them when they are in one body? So you can have that for fun. Now let me go on, or you can also have so many other activities as your energizer. Yeah, you can put. Let's see here. Let me go on to the website. Yeah, so that I can explain more about it. What can we put on our QR code? So you have to come to this website first. Let's say you are already here. Yeah. Now, for the website, for the tutorial on making this code, we can use Canva to put the code, yeah? So you can use your Microsoft Word, but if you want to have a more colorful presentation, you can use Canva, yeah? Let's see here. I already opened for the qrcode.com, qrcode-tiger.com. And then I have Canva here. So after I download it, I want to use Canva for my code. Yeah. Now here you can insert the URL if you want to give a website address to your students. You can use this. Actually, you can make your own what was that? A name card. Here you can use your virtual card. You can fill your name here, but I'm not going to have it right now. You can insert your file. The file can be in a form of PDF, or picture, yeah, JPEG or PNG, or it can also in the form of MP4, Excel, or Word. You can upload it here. Before we do that, I'm going to explain another thing. Like here, you can also put your social media here. If you have a restaurant, yeah, you don't have to use a menu book. You can use your QR code. Yeah, you can put everything. You can put everything here, and then you can upload the menu. And then if you are an HTML editor, you can put it here. You can also have a quiz, yeah, for your students through the Google form. They can scan the QR code, and then you can directly have your quiz with them directly. URL, App Store, if it's in a form of your Wi-Fi, MP3, and so on and so forth. Yeah, you can also have Pinterest here. Now, for me, I use for my teaching activity, I use file a lot here. Sometimes I upload the PDF. Sometimes I upload a picture using JPEG or PNG. I will upload it here. Let's see. Let's start from the first one. I will upload a file or a picture here. Let me choose it first. I haven't really prepared. Let's prepare a picture of an animal. Let's say we are learning about animal vocabulary. Here I have this one. I uploaded. Okay. So it's a picture, yeah? I put a picture here, and then You can choose here on step 2. You can choose, maybe you want to have your code using the pattern. Yeah, you can use the pattern, this one. Oh, you have to click it first. Click this one first. Now, after that, you can choose whether you want to use which pattern that you want for your code, this one or this one. I think I'm going to use this one, yeah. You can also use this. Maybe you want to have this, the eye. Or you have your school logo. You can upload here and then put it there, your school logo, but I'm not going to have that. You can change the color. Maybe you want to have a bright color like green, like this. You can have that. You can put a frame on it. I don't need the frame. So, or you can also have your own template like this one. Yeah, it's really up to you. You can choose it. Let's say maybe because we talk about animal, let's have this one. Yeah, so you have this. It's interesting, right? Now you can download it. Okay, after you download it, it will be saved here. Yeah, it will be saved here on your dashboard. Oh yeah. First of all, after you come to the website, you can log in. Yeah, actually you can log in by using your Google username. Yeah, you can directly click Google, or maybe let me give you, I will log out first. Now, like this, you can click continue with Google. I'm sorry, I did not tell you from the first place. This one, like this, yeah, you can directly have that. And then you can choose, you can do the activity that you want based on your file. Okay. Now I already have my QR code, and then I will come to Canva. Canva also, you can have the same activity too. If you don't have an account in Canva, you can log in or you can sign up using your Google username. It's easy actually. You can directly have that, yeah, directly from your Google, and then you can click here because I want to make a flyer. I type flyer. No result. Wait. Oh, maybe you can have poster. Yeah. Oh, maybe because it's I type it on my. I haven't really make any flyer, so it did not come up. You can also make a poster here. So this is one of this is some of the example. You can create many kind of things here in Canva. You can make a poster. You can make a document, or you can click here from create a design. This one, yeah, I like. You can have a document, whiteboard, your Instagram story, Instagram post. You can make poster like me, like right now, I will make a flyer. You can have a video for your YouTube opening, photo college, and then a card, and so on and so forth. You can check it here. Now, because right now I want to make a flyer, I click here. I like to have a I'm sorry. I'm going to make a title first, QR code. Anymore. This one, yeah. Here, after we have the blank template, you can upload the QR code that you have on your, that you already download on the, from the QR code generator. I want to upload the file. This one, yeah. This is the one that we made together. Okay, now we can put it here. All right. Here is the QR code. Now you can always have, maybe you have some design that you want to make, or you can have, you can make your own design. I will, let's see for the school. Do we have a full design here? Oh, what about this one? Okay, we can have this design. Oh, just repeat that. We have a new one here, and then we can change. It's easier to have the template that we have on Canva. You can use it directly. So I'm going to use this one. I'll change this for the activity. I will, like, what am I? Maybe your students are in the class 7A. Yeah, I'm not going to going to erase that. And then I will have my upload, my QR code. I will put it here. Okay, that's it. Yeah, it's very easy. Or if you don't want to use the template, you want to make it by yourself, you can always do that. Yeah, you can always do that. But if you want to save some times, you can always choose the template like here. Or um, let's see if we use our, let's see if we want to use our own, if we want to make our own template. Yeah, I will go back again, like this one. This one, yeah. Now you can choose the element. Sometimes there are many elements that is free. You can maybe for education, yeah. For education icon, you can choose here. Maybe let's use this one. Yeah. So it won't be very, it will be interesting for your students. Let's put it here. And then, let's say, for example, like a circle. You can put it there. Circle frame. Maybe not. I want to choose the other one. Let's have arrow. Oh, not very good. Yeah. Let's see this one. Graphic. Now, some of the arrow are like if you have this Pro, you have to pay for that. So let's just choose the one that is free, yeah? So you don't have to spend more money on that. What do I like? Let's see. I want to use, oh, let's use this one, but the color is white, yeah. Let's choose our background color. Our default color will be, yeah, I guess we can do it. You can use this one, the gray one, like this. Yeah, you can give the arrow here. There, you can have an arrow here. And you can add tags there. Let's have the add a heading. Please, please name this animal. Now, you can choose the font of your of this text. We have this glacial indifference. Let's see. No, maybe that's not what we want. Let's choose. What about this one? Script. Yeah, no. Maybe this one. Okay. Can okay. For the size, we size them. I want to make it more interesting, so let's have another element for this rectangle square. Let's have a star, table signs. Let's have star. Like this one. Add some stars here. Maybe under. Okay, here. Yeah, I think it's enough. It's not really good, but you can use your own creativity in Canva. Okay, I think it's good enough. uh, I don't like the background. Let's change it. What about pink? Okay, let's have pink. It's girly and we like it. We like girly. All right. Yeah, it's good enough. I think I'm not really artsy, so you can use your own creativity to make this. That's it. Now you are ready. Now after you make your QR code on your Canva, you can download it. Yeah, you can download it from here, from share, and then you click share, and you can click download, and then it will be download on in a form of PNG. You can click it here. Actually, I use Canva for everything. Even for my, if you see from my upload here, there I have I remove, if I need, I use my picture because I need to change the background of my picture, of my ID picture. I use Canva. I also use Canva for many other things. For example, make my own certificate, because sometimes I become the, I have to have like this one, yeah, have to handle some activity and I have to make my own certificate. I use this. I also use Canva for teaching, for my teaching activity, like this one. I teach simple present tense. I also use like this. If you want to use for your teaching, you can use like create design here, and then you can have, there are things that you can choose now. Which one do you want to choose? Yeah, presentation. You can have this. Click presentation, it will appear like this one. It's very convenient because sometimes they already have the template, and you can just edit it uh with what you need. Like this one, you can add your the things that you want to teach to your students, like this. You can add some picture too. You can delete some symbol, and then you can add your own symbol. It's very convenient, like this. Yeah, you can keep your work. You don't have to download it all the time. You can directly present them through Canva if you have the internet connection. Uh, for other things, I use Canva also for, besides that, I usually make a poster, flyer, like this one. I make an announcement, so many other things. It's very useful. If you have enough money, you can always use the premium one, yeah. I make a proposal here. It's very useful. You can have it by yourself, I think. You can do everything by yourself. You don't need to, and it's very convenient in using it. It's easy. As a mom like me, it's very helpful. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye bye.